Hello everyone, I am Ayushman and today I am doing a project which is a solar boat. How did I make this project? I used cardboard, a plastic bottle, a solar panel, a motor and a propeller. You can run this project in either ways, by solar and by batteries. Whenever there's enough of sunlight, you can run this through a solar panel. As I am going to demonstrate this project in my bathtub, I am going to use batteries as there is no sunlight over there. So first, I created the structure using the cardboard. Then I added a plastic bottle because this structure is very heavy and this will make float the whole structure because it is hollow. Then I added the solar panel, connecting it to the DC motor which will eventually run the propeller, and this will make the boat move. Let me demonstrate how will this work in the bathtub. Let's go. So here there is no sunlight. I am going to run this boat with a battery, but you can either run it through the solar panel or the battery. If there is enough sunlight, you can run it through the solar panel. Let's test it. So you can see this boat is floating due to the hollow bottle. Now how does the boat move? The boat moves either the power generated by the solar panel or the battery goes to the DC motor. Pushing the propeller then pushes the water in the opposite direction, which pushes the boat forward. Now let's watch a video explaining this. How does a solar panel work? A solar panel works by converting the sunlight into electricity. Steps that are required to convert the sunlight into electricity. When the sunlight hits the solar panel, the photovoltaic cells in the solar panel absorb the photons from the sunlight. The absorbed energy then creates an electric flow through the layers of the solar panel. Then, the electricity generated from the solar panel flows through the wires and goes to the DC motors, which makes the propeller move. When the propeller moves, the boat moves forward because the propellers push the boat. So, hope you like my project. By using clean energy, we can use the solar panels for either running a car, a house, or a boat, or many such things which need power. Thank you.